All right. Good evening, everyone. So, today we have yet another inspirational story for you all so that you can get inspired for the growth and develop a growth mindset. Someone said, growth is intentional, isn't it, guys? And someone also said there's a difference between growth mindset and a goal mindset. Goal mindset has something which you hit the goal, you sometimes become plateau. But if you have growth mindset, you will enjoy your life, the journey always, because you'll never be sitting in one place. You'll always growing, and growing. Today at Peak Impact Mentorship, I'm very fortunate to be part of Peak Impact Mentorship and being mentored and coached by none other than Vijay, who is the founder of Peak Impact Mentorship. And I was very fortunate to meet Vijay almost 3 to 4 years back, start this growth journey. And today I'm humbled to really coach and mentor many people. And we have today someone very special who calls himself a technical giant, technical specialist. And trust me, he is. And in spite of being a techie giant, a technical specialist, he also believes personal growth is a very top priority. He believes self-help is also very important for the life. Today we have Karthik with us in the studio to share his inspirational journey with Peak Impact Mentorship. So why don't I invite Karthik for you all? Hi, hi Karthik, how are you doing?
Hi Kiran, thanks for inviting me. I'm doing good, thank you.
Awesome,
Thanks.
Karthik. Great, Karthik. So before I start, I just want to share one thing with you all. So the only difference between the words extraordinary and ordinary is the word extra, and Karthik lives it. Can you believe it? Karthik lives this quote in his own real life. So Karthik, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure, Kiran. I work with IT industry in Bangalore. I have close to a decade of experience here. I'm basically born and brought up in Bangalore. I stay with my wife and father here. By background, I'm an electronics and communication engineer. I did it from one of the top colleges here in Bangalore itself.
Awesome, Karthik. You've been a Bangalorean. You've been a localite. You've seen Bangalore being, transforming very nicely, and I'm sure you're also transforming with Bangalore as well. Tremendous to see you. So, Karthik, why don't you tell us, how did you come across Peak Impact Mentorship?
Sure, Kiran. I think it goes. This story goes way back to when I was in fifth standard. I just passed out of fifth standard with a very bad results, and my mom was very pissed off. She came to me and told, "Beta, we are from middle class family. We need to study well, get good grades, and get a good job. Only then you can settle." That time, the seed of studying well and ambition sat in my mind. And during this time, when after I passed out, there was a recession. Even though I had a campus offer, it was very difficult to get into the IT industry. So I was always thinking, we have to do something extra. We have to do something extra beyond the normal things what we do in order to have a good future. And during this time, last year, I think, like in 2019, somewhere in August or September, I bounced myself into a YouTube channel of Vijay, when Vijay was doing workshops, I think twice a month. And I followed this channel, and I for close to 2 3 months, I went through all the learnings, whatever Vijay taught during those workshops. It really made a significant impact in my mind. I really got connected to Vijay based on his experience, his learnings. As we know, he mentors more than 1,000 plus people. So I was really in need of a person who can coach me, who can mentor me, who has gone where I want to go, and who has interest to guide me. So I really saw Vijay being that position. So since it was very difficult to reach Vijay, yeah, as you know, I through my wife's friend Madhvi, and I got connected to you, Kiran. That's how my journey with Speak Impact mentorship started.
Absolutely, Karthik. Even I am really glad to meet you in person because, in fact, I have met you. It's not that you are not successful, you are already very successful in your life. Still, you chose Peak Impact Mentorship as your own catalyst to grow much faster. So, why don't you share something, Karthik? So, we have very useful sessions and we have lots of book reading clubs which we run at Peak Impact Mentorship. So, what do you think the role of book reading club by PIM in your growth journey is?
Sure, Kiran. I After my college days, I actually left the habit of book reading, and during the course of time, I developed and I used to read here and there, but it was not regular. But as keeping the my why part in my mind, I long back I had heard this quote: "If your why is big enough, the how will take care of itself." So I feel like because of that, my why was strong. Through Vijay's learnings, I learned like if you want to achieve the next set of goals, you need to be an enthusiastic reader. All the successful people do read good books, and this book reading club was a catalyst for me to imbibe myself into books, and not just reading books and learning myself. We share a platform. There is a platform that PIM offers that is shared. Let's take 30, 40 people joining book club, sharing their learnings, not just from the book, from their life experience as well. It goes hand in hand. So in 1 hour of time, I can get 30 stories, 30 different learnings, 30 different life experience. It's really amazing. It's very innovative idea, I would say.
Absolutely, Karthik. Karthik, that is where I think cross pollination happens. Even I learn a lot from book reading club. But the challenge, which even I faced initially was the habit of cultivating, book reading because it was completely alien for me initially. How did you, Karthik, develop this, book reading habit? Because this is very unknown in this current generation. And how did you prioritize? Because you've been, in industry for so many years, you've been leading teams, you're very technically very sound, you have to keep yourself in technically also active and still manage to take out time and prioritize all this growth, education, personal growth. How did you do all this stuff, Karthik? Why don't you share these things with our audience?
Yes, Kiran, reiterating the one point which I told about the why part. So, I when I joined the IT industry, I had some certain goals in my mind where I need to see myself in next 5 years or 10 years, and I can say I am pretty did at least decent enough not to boast about myself, and I am really proud of what I achieved. But the next set of goals which I have for myself for next 5 to 10 years is little big, and with the knowledge I have currently, I doubted like if I can really achieve those goals. It looked scary. So that's why I understood through Vijay also like I we need this specialized knowledge. This specialized knowledge can come only through reading books and this PIM session. So since this reason which I have in my mind is very clear, I prioritized the rest for naturally fell in place.
Absolutely, Karthik. I think you being humble to share all this thing is tremendously awesome because I understand what kind of background you come from. It's superb. So I have pretty interesting question. One more question, follow up question with that. So you have been participating with PIM for almost 4 to 5 months right now, and you have a very good growth journey, and you have outperformed your growth potential. I've seen you grow, and even I myself get inspired. Why don't you share 2 to 3 benefits you have really gained through the journey with PIM?
Sure, Kiran. So I have learned multiple things, but yeah, if you take top three, I like reading books on leadership and this leadership development. So see, as an individual contributor, if you give me some task, I can work easily. I don't have any hassle. But if I have to work with a team of people, I can work with laptops or softwares. But with people, yeah, it was really difficult for me. I was a very bad person in that area. So leadership development and how to develop leaders, being characteristics of leader. I think Vijay being a like John C. Maxwell's certified member, he has shared so many things about leadership. That's the one thing which I learned. And the second thing is the conflict management. Like as I grow myself in the IT industry, like when you deal with 10 human beings, 10 men or women, whatever, whoever, see, the ego comes into picture. I think most of the conflicts rise because of this ego. Maintaining the ego, getting the work done, resolving these conflicts is really a topic in itself. And third thing is my favorite topic because as I told you last year, I was in a position wherein I could see handling failures was a really a thing which I had to learn because I had taught my school and college, but I mean, failure is not a stopping point, as Vijay says. We need to keep failing to grow ahead. So, how to handle these failures when you come across these failures? These three are the most important things which I really learned from Vijay and this PIM session.
Absolutely, Karthik. I think the reasons which you have mentioned is also very close to my heart because being good in our curriculum from our childhood, we hardly see any failures, and whenever new failure comes, we generally don't respond it properly. And learning how to handle the failures is a very key important thing at this generation, where it's of IT, tech generation, and people are not even aware of how to face the world. So thank you so much, Karthik, to share these benefits. So now audience will have very curious question. So many good things are happening. So many good things are given to the students of PIM, and they are outperforming, outperforming and inspiring others. but there has to be some investment, right? Nothing comes for free of cost, correct? So why don't you throw a light on, what kind of investment involved in terms of money and time with the PIM's growth journey with you?
Sure, like if you take investment in terms of money, it's very negligible. Like if you want, as I've heard from Vijay also, if you need to attend a session of John C. Maxwell, it will cost at least around $700 to $800, just one session. But since Vijay's passion is to educate people with these life skills, and I don't think this will be taught in, I didn't learn in my schools, or nobody taught me these life skills. The cost of the session for 1 hour or 1.5 hour, whatever Vijay charges, is actually $100. Can you beat it? $100. You will not even get an ice cream for $100. Okay. So if you take and the value addition, what Vijay adds in that 1 hour, it's priceless. It's really priceless. So money is it's very negligible. Time, since it happens in the weekends is for us 1 hour, taking 1 hour, 1.5 hour is not a big deal.
Thank you so much, Karthik, for clearing it out, because many people have question here: how are you managing your finances? How they will be profitable? But honestly, to add what Karthik has said, Vijay is someone who's very successful in his life already, and he's following his passion with help of PIM and all of its volunteers, and that is how our goal is. Our goal is to impact 1 lakh people in effective communication and life skills, due to which we make coaching affordable to people. That is our goal, because coaching is very expensive. We just R&D with Google and all, it is super expensive, and we want to make it affordable to our country. That is what I know we have started PIM for. So Karthik, why don't you share one thing, very important thing, because while you're learning from different sessions in PIM, while you come in book club, you learn from different experience from people, you learn from different books. But the major challenge, in fact, from different motivational speakers and seminars, and the reality is quite different. The moment motivational seminar gets over, people just lose it, everything. How do you bridge the gap of, learning something theoretical from someone's experience and try to apply in practically with help of, PIM coaches? And definitely they must have played very important role with you. And how do you see mentorship in this, all area of application of knowledge?
Absolutely, Kiran. Mentorship is a very key thing, and see, even if I have to grow in corporate, we need certain mentors. We seek for the seniors. If I get stuck somewhere, technically, I reach to the architect. But what about the goals which we have in life? Recently, Vijay was sharing about the dream wheel. I think 12 to 13% constitutes the career part, among so many other things like family, health, fun, education, personality development. So many other things are there. So, how to handle all these things? We really need a mentor or a coach. I am really glad that I found you, Kiran. I'm really thankful. And whenever I get any doubts implementing it, as we know, Vijay is a very busy person. He coaches and mentors so many thousands of people. So, because of you and through you, I am able to clear those doubts. And I can see you being a perfect duplication of Vijay, because you implement as is without any gap. I could say, and I can see that. So I can feel confident that, yeah, anytime if I have any doubts, I can reach you. And even we are in touch with each other for 3 4 months, as you said. If even if you're busy, in spite of your busy schedule, you'll give me a call back. So even if there's smallest of doubt in my mind, if it is there, you'll clear that. You'll check with Vijay if needed. I really appreciate these things, because implementing it when I get challenges, course corrections, everything, I can approach you.
Absolutely, Karthik. In fact, I am really humbled, the kind of qualities you have. Trust me, just to tell about the audience, because I'm super humbled, while I work with you, while I know you, while I am part of your growth journey. Let me share 2 to 3 things about Karthik. Karthik is someone who has superb teachable quality, because you can't mentor or coach someone who doesn't have teachable spirit. And that way, one I've heard recently what Simon Sinek said. Mentor and mentee relationship is always two ways. It is not that one way the information is passing, but actually I learned 2 to 3 important things from Karthik as well. One is to be calm in very tough situations as well, to be very humble, and to have very good teachable spirit. So that is how my relationship with Karthik has been, and it's been super privileged to really work with Karthik. And before I ask the final question, so Karthik, why don't you share a few of the interesting things where you would really want to encourage new person, who's looking for some guidance, some, some coaching, anything, related to growth, where he can really reach out to our growth club. So what would you like to convey to new folks, who's watching our video and watching you speaking right now?
Uh, like if I want to convey, I remember watching a movie. There's called movie called Janata Garage, played by NTR. It says the caption of the movie says, "Ikkada anni repair cheyabadunu." That means like all repairs can be done here. So I would say if you want to grow, if you have goals, if you are struggling, if you have failed, if you want to move ahead, if you need to learn about failures, conflict management, if you want to learn about leadership development, if you want to improve your communication skills, I mean not English skills, but how to connect with others. So many things, right? So PIM is definitely for you.
Wonderful, Karthik. It is really, it was really great having you. I'm sure, with your story, someone, even one person, if he gets inspired, if he or she gets inspired, our job, sharing this journey, recognizing you will be worth it. Thank you so much, Karthik, for, being part of this inspirational journey. We'll again, meet you very soon. Thank you so much, Karthik.
Thank
So, guys, I know I'm sure you have heard Karthik speaking about his growth journey, and definitely you'll be thinking, why not me? So reach out to us, reach out to PIM, reach out to PIM coaches. There are lots of growth, happening all around while lockdown is happening. The best part is to grow beyond your potential and beat the hell out of it. So it was really great talking to you guys. And I'm Kiran. I'm alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and I work as a lead engineer at DocSap. So I have more than 6+ years experience, and personal growth is one of my passion. And being here and talking to you and be part of PIM is my privilege. Thank you so much, friends. See you soon again. Bye bye.